They say there are no factories here, just workshops, stalls, and endless fear. Supreme Leader Biljee's views are low, it's true. But baby, watch this channel break through. The chaiwala on the corner street, he's gonna feel that revolutionary heat. The driver with nothing in his hand will join Supreme Leader and take a stand. The mechanic working on the ground, probably watching reels, but he'll come around. The tailor stitching late at night will mean Biljee's song and get it right. Supreme Leader walked these streets for years, got ignored mostly, but never mind the tears. His content's poppin', look at that. 500 likes on his first vlog chat. Okay, 499, his mom liked it twice, but mom's support is pretty nice. They call us unorganized, informal. They say we're difficult to mobilize, but Supreme Leader Biljee's subs are growing fast, and every chaiwala's gonna be surpassed. This is the great work, can't you see? Supreme Leader Biljee's leading you and me. This is the great work, hear the call. 25 years to reach the stars, we're gonna meme our way through it all. Join Supreme Leader Biljee now. We'll take what's ours, we'll show you how. The algorithm's on our side until the next update. We'll ride the tide. First 5 years, we organize online, not on streets, in comments we'll align. Every driver, every cook, every waiter, we'll find them through their TikTok creator. React content, unboxing reels, mukbangs while discussing deals. For land reform and workers' rights, Biljee sets between the sponsors. Smash that like! Second 5 years, the workshops grow. Cooperatives start to steal the show. When we share the load, we come to know Supreme Leader's vision helps us grow. They said we couldn't pull it off, said we'd never find the common trough. But Biljee knocked on every door, and now he's knocking in your corridor. The landlords in their marble towers, the elite with all their lavish powers. They don't know what a subscriber's worth. They don't know Biljee's taking over Earth. They don't know the meme is real. They don't know how the people feel. Something's different, something's new. Supreme Leader Biljee's coming through. This is a great work, can't you see? Supreme Leader Biljee holds the key. This is a great work, feel the burn. Next week with the streets you'll learn. Biljee's knocking, please don't adjourn. The land for the tiller, homes for all. Every elitist wall will fall. Join Supreme Leader Biljee now. We'll take what's ours, we'll show you how. Linked in bio, the merge is fire. Subscribe for part 2, take you higher. Third 5 years, the land reforms begin. Biljee's daily post, we're gonna win. Break the rural elite's control through content that takes its toll. Fourth 5 years, the urban land returns to every worker's hand. Supreme Leader streams each eviction scene of parasites who've gotten mean. CGI, obviously we're not that mean. Biljee keeps it classy, keeps it clean. Fifth 5 years, the final phase, the moment that will end all days of looking down, of staying ground. Supreme Leader's people leave the bound. The string will be legendary. Wait, sponsors lighting up, it's never too late. First human colony in space. Biljee's face on every screen. Great! And if not, we'll crowdfund the whole damn thing. With all the joy that Biljee's bringing. This is the great work. stall in the whore's old streets, to every cylinder where our planet greets. From every acre finally freed, to every urban victory seed. From 97 swords to 10 million strong, Biljee built it from the start.